Hello everybody, it's Tim the Poor Artist. Welcome back to the channel. I've been a little light on posting lately. Been having some, it's that time of year, it's our hunting season, so I'm hunting for a day or so. Anyways, I'm going to do a bigger piece here today. This is on an 18 by 24. I'm going to do light colors. Just going to use a marine blue. Okay, it's a really darker blue, and then a lighter blue here, and then white's going to be my background, but I'll add a little white to the color too, and then just a little bit of black. So all I'm doing is I'm just black and white and blue, okay? And like I said, I'm going to use white as my background, so hopefully this will come out good. A little bit thicker there than I want, so I'm going to mix it a little bit. But thank you for new subscribers. Things have been going good. I'm still trying to decide on how to present my art for sale. I mean, you guys tell me, would you rather see a website or me do videos on what's for sale? And then you guys pick out, email me, that kind of thing. The website seems to take up a lot of time, and it's a pretty big hassle kind of to me. I'm not very knowledgeable in that stuff. So that's one reason. Facebook page is another way to do it, and that's kind of how I have now. But so far I've only sold art in person, when people actually see it, get it in their hands, that kind of thing. Okay, let's go ahead here. I'm gonna put a lot on here. Gonna take a lot. Oops. Wow. We're not very skilled over there, are we? We just don't have enough room. What is going on here? I'm losing my legs. So we'll have to put them up like that. All right, let's see what happens here with this. I got lots of room to work with. So well, as you can see, we're going to need a lot more white. No, I won't have any for my... That ain't working out so good, huh? Might paint too thick. This might be for this type of a painting, but we'll find out. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Right. That's right. Figured it out. It said I only needed like 15 ounces to cover this. Pop any bubbles that there might be. I have no more white. Oh, do I? I don't. I don't have any more white. This may not work. I didn't do too well with the planning here. Like that. Like this. So I could use a black around it. I don't know. I'm scared right now. I am. Oh, look what I just did. Oh boy. Sunday morning. Did my church. Now I'm messing with this. I'm not going to have any white there to whoosh it out with, am I? Ugh, crap. I did not make enough white. Not even enough. Well, we'll have to try it anyways. Right? See what happens. All right, here we go. Oh, Lord. Wow. That's beautiful. Whoo-hoo. Do a spot right there. Splash, splash, splash. And I'm going to need dark blue and a light blue. I don't know if this is going to ruin it. But I got to try it. I've been wanting to do this for quite a while. Oh, I wish I had some white. It's all right. It's all right. Right there. Right there like that. There we go. I don't have any white at all. I do. There we go. There we go. That should be enough. Okay, folks, here it goes. Yes. 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 Okay. Now I'm going to do that right here too. Oh, guys, what do you think? Did I ruin it? Did I make it more interesting? Give me a comment. I need to know these things. Yes, I do. As far as I can go. Oh my God. Not at the wall of my house. Pause. Okay, this is getting a little wild. All right, here, guys, I'm going to show you. I took that painting, and I had to move it around. I forgot to turn on the camera when I did that, but I think this is a much better piece right here out of all what I done with it. I really like this better. So sometimes we do that. We wreck what we were working on to make something else out of it. So you never know what you're going to get, and that's the truth. Okay. So sorry I didn't get the camera turned back on. It was just kind of a spur of a moment thing. I was going to move it, and the paint started moving on me, and I thought, well, maybe I should go with it. So I did, and this it's beautiful now. Look at these. Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you once again. God bless.